talk about a couple of things. So, when you're working out in the gym or living life in general, there's two general things. Let's talk about the gym. There's two general things that guide you. One is structure, and the other is creativity. Organization and creativity. Some people will say right brain, left brain. Right brain is creativity, left brain is structure, mathematics, analysis, logic is the left brain. Right brain is creativity, philosophy, rhythm, feeling, these kind of things. Now what I've realized about life, about let's say left brain, right brain, is that you have a structure in your brain called the corpus callosum. It's a bridge between the two sides. See, now sometimes, just like some of us are right foot dominant, right? So left side of the brain controls the right, and the right side of the brain controls the left. You can train the other side, you see. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that your routine needs to have an organized structure that can sustain creativity, that can hold creativity. And your creativity needs to have a structure that it can flow into. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say is that middle structure, the corpus callosum, is like a bridge between the two sides. You see, your logical brain is very linear. It just thinks about a straight line. The other side of your brain is three-dimensional, spatial perceptions, and it's a little bit more on a different side. So what you do, you need both. You need a linear, which is tunnel, straight from here to there, and you need the whole perspective, awareness, your spatial awareness. You need all of them. Now the same thing is true with your workout routine, as well as your life. Your workout routine needs a holistic, it needs a wide perspective, an awareness of so many things. Because those so many things can be the creative force that help the one thing that you are doing. You make it creative. How do we do this? Sometimes we have fun, we'll do speed reps off a deficit. We'll do it as a team sometimes. You know, all of us would be, 3, 4 of us. We'll all go one after another, after another, after another. We'll be creative with it. You see? Sometimes, we'll make fun in the gym. Sometimes I talk to people about feeling the technique, of understanding their rhythm, their body rhythm. You see? It's not just a matter of mathematics. Okay, you move from this angle to this angle to this angle. It is sometimes. It is as easy as that. And sometimes not. Really, what it is, it's a combination between the mathematics and the feeling, both sides. And you come with a compromise. Now the problem with that is that you have two voices almost and they fight each other. So when you become a very good weightlifter or whatever it is, you learn to go to the other side, the side that you're not dominant, will make you a better person when you learn that side. You see what I'm saying? So if you are very logical and very mathematical and very organized and very structural, you need to learn how to be creative. That will take you to the next level, right? If you're creative, there's no order. You just do what you feel and I'm just doing whatever. There's no structure. So if you want to be, if you're a creative person, you want to go to the next level, you need to find a little structure. I'm not saying your structure needs to be mass perfect and you need to be the most organized person, no. But some structure will actually help your creativity. And if you're very organized and everything has to be mathematical and from here to there, a little creativity will make you a better lifter and a better person and a better human being. The same thing is true, same ideas as with individualism and collectivism. This is a philosophical topic. But the truth is that if I just learn to live my whole life in one hand, and it's all about my right hand, that'll only take me so far. But if I learn to incorporate my whole being with the hand, then guess what? My hand will have a lot of help. And guess what? My hand realizes that some jobs it cannot do. It needs the foot, it needs the ear, it needs the left hand. You see? So yes, there's a time we need an individual part, but there's a time when we need the whole being, the collective. So what I'm trying to say is that you need to have an open perspective, an open-mindedness, as well as a rigid structure. When you're lifting very heavy weights, you need a very rigid structure to add that speed. It needs to be very, very tight, a body tightness. You see? So you need a very rigid structure, you see, to add that speed or to add that feel into it. So you need both sides. So to summarize it, make your organized workout creative and make your creativity a little bit more organized.